Alright, well, I'm in the process of installing my ported upper and lower intake manifolds from AMR. So I thought I'd make a quick video comparing the two for any of you guys that wanted to see compared to stock what work they did to them. So mine's a 14. So I noticed this lower at least is different. I don't know about the upper, but they market this from 13 to 17, I believe. All the years they had the 3.7 V6. So mine being a 14, this was the takeoff. This is probably the 15, 16, 17, because these are new cores that they get from Ford and then they port. So slightly different design here. I mean, it still comes out to the same length and all that, but it's a little bit different. So I believe that they're using the newest cores, which is slightly revised from Ford, but it should work. So anyways, this is the lower. I mean, without a micrometer, which I don't have, not sure what you can tell, but you know, not a whole lot done there. I mean, they're a little bit wider, you can tell by looking at them. Obviously they've removed material. The end here is different too, but I don't think it'll matter. So by the way, I'm posting an install video of this as well, so I'm just, for those who wanted to compare them side by side, that's what this video is for. But there will be an install video as well. You can find that and more in the Mustang playlist on the channel. So let's flip them over here, check out the bottoms. So there's a more noticeable difference if you look close enough, especially around here. Taking quite a bit of material there. So that's what the bottoms look like there. And there's your top one. Not a whole lot of work to be done there. They definitely took these edges out here, and then you can't really see this, although that's not really, there's not hardly much there to feel. But they've definitely rounded all that and took those sharp edges off. Biggest changes in the throttle body opening there. You can see all those fins there, which they've removed from theirs, and then they've also, if I could get the freaking light to hit this right for you guys, they've gone way down in there and ported it out, clear down in there as well. So I mean, it doesn't look like much, but there's definitely been work done. Obviously the opening there is vastly different, but you know, every little bit helps, and it's supposed to be like 10-15 horsepower gain. So I also have a review video after I get these on, what it feels like driving with these on there, if I can tell any difference or not. But that's going to conclude that. I just kind of wanted to show side by side what they look like there. So like I said, there'll be an install video. You have to check for the Mustang playlist for that, and then I'll probably review these as well. All kinds of other things done to the car. If you want to see that, again, it'd be in the playlist. Cold air intake, water pump pulley, headers, one-piece drive shaft, custom cherry bomb exhaust. So if you want to see any of that, check out the playlist. But that's going to wrap this one up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.